Tracealyzer for VxWorks provides VxWorks users with an unprecedented insight in runtime behavior through more than 20 intuitive and cleverly interconnected views. Better insight means fewer problems, less troubleshooting, better performance, and more time to develop new valuable features. This allows you to create better software in less time. Tracealyzer is developed by Percepio, a partner of Wind River Systems. Tracealyzer visualizes the data from the already available event tracing in VxWorks. No extra hardware is required. Tracealyzer can therefore be used both in the development lab and during full system testing, and even in deployed systems, to get valuable diagnostics on real-world issues. Tracealyzer supports VxWorks 5, 6, and 7, including multi-core and multiprocessor systems. Let's have a look at some of the visualizations provided by Tracealyzer. This is the main trace view showing task scheduling and interrupts on a vertical timeline. The trace can be visualized using different view modes depending on the situation. The trace visualizations work on all zoom levels. When zooming out, it naturally transforms into an overview of the system behavior. When zooming in, you see the details. Tracealyzer also presents events, such as kernel calls and user-defined application events. If enabled in the view filter, these are shown using color-coded labels. The view filter allows for selecting what kernel calls to display. For instance, let's limit the display to just this particular message queue. If we double-click on any labels, a new view opens showing all related events. In this case, the kernel object history view opens and displays all operations on this particular message queue. You can even see how messages are buffered in the queue, and you can track where particular messages are sent or received. If we enable user events, we see user-defined application events, allowing you to visualize any event or data of interest. In the View menu, you find more than 20 supporting views showing different perspectives of the runtime behavior, such as the CPU load graph. All views with horizontal timeline can be synchronized on a common timeline. For instance, the user event signal plot, visualizing data from user events, and this view, showing the number of messages in message queues. Thanks to the synchronized timeline, you can zoom and navigate the horizontal views together. Clicking on any data point highlights the corresponding event in the main trace view. Learn more at Percepio.com and try Tracealyzer yourself today. A demo trace is included, and it is easy to get started tracing your own VxWorks system.